In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill background color in Photopea. To get started, open your project in Photopea. Once your project is open, go to the Layers panel on the right-hand side of your screen and make sure your background layer is selected. After selecting the background layer, move to the top left corner of your screen and click on the Edit option. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on the Fill option. You can also use the keyboard shortcut for Fill in the Future to speed up your workflow. Once the Fill window opens, you will see a drop-down menu at the top labeled Foreground. Click on this drop-down and select the Custom option. As soon as you choose Custom, a color picker box will appear next to it. Click on that color box to open the color picker window. Inside the color picker, you can choose any color you like. You can either select a color visually or enter specific color values if you have a particular shade in mind. After choosing your desired color, click OK. Then click OK again in the Fill window to confirm. Immediately after confirming, your background will change and be completely filled with the selected color. If you ever want to change the background color again, simply repeat the same process by selecting the background layer and using the Fill option again. And this is how you can fill background color in Photopea.